Well, hello everybody, and thank you for watching my video called Technical Analysis for Dummies. Now, I know a lot of people will ask, why do I call it Technical Analysis for Dummies? Now, I just thought it might be a very cool name for this video, and when we all start off, all of us are actually dummies, you know, so that's why I called it Forex and Technical Analysis for Dummies. So yeah, before I get started, I just want to thank you for watching this video, and in this video I want to share with you guys a few patterns that's setting up for the week, and then after I've showed you the patterns that are basically setting up, I want to share, I'm actually going to go over a few technical analysis, you know, of how to read a chart or how I go about reading a chart, things like that, new structure highs, new structure lows, lower highs, higher lows, things like that. Just following the trend and just basically reading a chart. So what I would like you guys to do is watch this video right until the end. I will, after I've shared my ideas, my patterns for the week, I will be sharing how to read a chart. And then after this video is done, what I want you guys to do is go out there, find a few charts, just learn how to read the language of the market, you know, the ebbs and flows, the ups and downs, long positions, longs, short, you know, bullish momentum, bearish momentum, things like that. So stay tuned and let's get started. Oh, so by the way, sorry for this. By the way, this video will be part of what I will call my weekly Forex forecast. So I'll be creating a video series called the weekly Forex forecast, and this video will be part of it. So what I'd like you guys to do is like this video, comment below this video if there's anything that I can improve on, and subscribe to my channel. As soon as I upload a video, you guys will get a notification stating that I uploaded a new video, and that's what I want. I want to build a trading community for you guys to be part of my trading community. I want you to, not all of us are professional traders out there. I don't know who you are. I don't know anything about you, so I'd like to get to know you, and I'd like for you to get to know me. So follow me, subscribe to my channel, and that's it, guys. Let's get started. So back to my charting package that I use. It's called TradingView. So if you guys like, I'll share the link below this video for you to have a look at it, and you can follow me on TradingView. Just search for Aaron Muller, or you can follow the link and you can follow me on TradingView. Sign up, it's free. Create yourself an account, it's free. Follow me and you'll get my weekly ideas that I share. So first off, let's start with EuroCAD. On the EuroCAD, we've got a possible bat pattern setting up here, a bullish bat pattern. What we need to see is a delay completion around about, a delay completion at the 886, which will give you a 1.420s level around about here, which will give us a nice bullish bat pattern setup on EuroCAD. Next, what I'm going to share with you, I want to go through this quickly, guys. I'm going to get to the technical analysis side of things, so I'm going to go through this quickly. You guys can always come back, watch this video over and over again. It will be shared on my YouTube channel. I assume this is where you guys will be watching it. So come back, have a look at it again, and like I said, it might be a possible bad pattern setup only if we see a delay completion at a 886%. So next, I want to share with you the Euro CHF, which will be, this is actually a H1, which will be a 1 hour chart. Now what I want to do is I want to jump to a 4 hour chart. The previous one that I shared with you guys was a 1 hour chart. So for this pattern, I want to share, for this pattern I will share it on a 4 hour chart, which will give us a nice cipher pattern. It's not completed yet, but like I said, it might be a possible bearish cipher pattern for this one. What we need to see for delay completion is a 0.786%. which will be at the 0.0876 levels, and that will be a bearish cipher pattern. So next I want to share with you Euro GBP, and on Euro GBP, sorry about that, and on Euro GBP I want to jump down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour, you guys will see that we might have two possible advanced patterns setting up here. So first one in the light green here will be another bearish cipher pattern, and just below this we'll have a smaller bat pattern set up. In the light blue, which we need to see a delay completion of 886, and that will give us a nice bullish bat pattern setup. And on the Euro GBP, no, it's not the Euro GBP, it will be the next one, which is called the GBP JPY. So on the GBP JPY 1 hour chart, we actually had a cipher pattern that completed. We had a delay completion, and at the 786% retracement, so I managed to get short here. This is not my trading platform. My trading platform that I use is MetaTrader 4. But yeah, as you guys can see, we managed to get a advanced pattern completion here, cipher pattern, bearish cipher pattern completion, which completed at the D leg here, and at this moment I'm short. So stops goes above the X leg, and we're looking for a target 1, target 2 at a target 1 382% retracement from the complete leg from the complete move of the leg, C to D leg. And for target 2s, I'm looking at a 618% retracement. Now on GBP JPY, if I jump up a time frame to a 4 hour time frame, if you guys watch my previous videos that I shared, we also had a massive bearish bad pattern set up here, which happened, I think, round about there. Let's quickly have a look at it. Yes, on target. So what happened was as soon as the market hit my delay completion, the market rolled right over, and we managed to hit target 1s, and we never managed to hit target 2s. So then I said to you guys, that was in my first video. So my second video I shared with you that we should look for a double top. So exactly what I said, or what I predicted was going to happen, happened, and we got a nice double top. And I said, for you guys who are not involved in the position, can look for a nice double top at previous support here, which will happen. This was actually a previous support, which broke, and we got a previous structure resistance, rolled down, we came back up for another previous structure resistance, we broke up to the downside, we got a previous structure support, broke down, and we at the delay completion here we had another previous structure resistance. So then I said to you guys, you might for you guys who are not short, there might be another opportunity with the double top setting up, and we managed to get that double top. So for those of you who are short now, we can look for another 382% retracement for target 1, and then a 618% retracement for target 2. Now for you guys who don't trade the 4 hour time frame, if you jump down to a lower time frame, your 1 hour time frame, you will see that we actually had a small cipher pattern set up here. Like I mentioned before, that was the cipher pattern that just completed at the D leg, and like I said, I shorted the cipher pattern, which was another opportunity to get short. I never managed to take this, sorry about this, I never managed to take this double top. I was a bit too late. I was very busy this couple of days, so I managed to get short at the cipher pattern completion on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, that was GBP JPY. Next we had on GBP AUD. Let's quickly go to GBP AUD. on the 4-hour time frame. So for those of you who don't know, the only time frames that I trade is the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. So on GBP ORD, we've got a nice deep Gartley pattern set up here and a bearish Gartley pattern. It's not completed yet. As I said, it might complete. So let's see what the market does, and if we actually do get filled, and or if there's a Gartley pattern actually does complete. So next we've got ORD JPY, and on ORD JPY, let's go down to, let's jump a time frame lower. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we've got a bullish bad pattern set up here, or possible setup. So if we manage to get a leg completion at a 886% Fibonacci retracement, then I will look to get long. Stops below X, target 1, 382% retracement, target 2, 618% retracement. For those of you who don't know. So, as I promised you guys, I will do some technical analysis for you, and let me just scrunch up this chart. I want to move it out of the way and just do some simple explanation for those of you who don't know how to read a chart. I'm first off going to start with drawing in some normal lines, just to explain to you guys initial low, higher low, new structure high, and then initial high, lower high, new structure low, things like that. So let's start off by what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a trend continuation trade, which will be bullish, which will be a bullish momentum. Let's start. So first off, I want to start by drawing in my first line, and then what I want to do is I want to name this for you guys. So if I name this will be our initial low, which I will call IL, and then from there on, as the market moves upwards, 90% of the time, or basically all the time, you will see a retracement. Now you can call it a retracement, an outside return, doesn't matter. What I'm going to explain, I just want you guys to get the, to see how the market moves. I want you to understand the language of the market. So what will happen is the market will move in a bullish direction, and then we will get an outside return, which will look something like this, and this we will call our higher low. Now I will explain to you now why I call it a higher low. The reason for this is this high is actually, the reason I call it a higher low is this low is higher than this low, so that's why I call it a higher low. As you guys can see, this low is higher than this initial low here, and then like I said, this will be a trend continuation trade in a bullish direction. So then we will get another bullish movement here, and so what happens is we get a break of structure, which will be previous support, and we managed to get a break of structure, and this will now be called our new structure high, NSH, for new structure high. And then we will get another retracement, and then from there on we will get another break to the upside, which will look something like this. So then again, guys, what you call this is a new higher low. Why? Because this low here is higher than our previous higher low. That's why we call it another higher low. And then from there on, the market managed to move upwards, and we get a new structure high, NSH. So from here on, we get another retracement, another pullback into what used to be previous structure resistance, now becomes structure support, and we managed to get a double top, something looking like this. That's our double top, and the market decides to move into a bearish direction, and we get something that looks like this. So now what do we call this? As you guys can see, this was a new structure high, because this high is higher than this high. That's why we call it a new structure high. We got a retracement, we managed to get a double top, and the market decided to roll over on us. So what do we call this? We will call this our new structure low. Why? Because this low here is lower than this low. Then the market decides to put in a retracement. Where do we pull back to? Previous structure support now becomes previous structure resistance, and this we will call the lower high. Why do we call it the lower high? Because this low is lower than this high here. Now, like I said, this will be a new structure high. We managed to get a double top. So let's do this. If I remove this line, let me quickly delete these lines. So if we had to start off in a bearish movement, forget about this initial low, this bullish movement, let's start off in a bearish movement. So if this was our bearish movement and we started here, we will call this our initial high, IH. So if you guys remember, we called this our initial low because this was in a bullish direction, and now we're going in a bearish direction, so we will call this our initial high, new structure low, because this low managed to break the previous structure support. We put in a retracement. Previous structure support now becomes previous structure resistance, and yeah, like I said, initial high, new structure low, lower high, because this low is lower than our initial high. Then the market decides to put in what we would call a new structure low, same as a new structure high. Seeing that we're now in a bearish movement, we call this a new structure low. So there you have it, guys. I'm not finished. I just want to give you a rough, what the market does, how it moves, and what I called it, or what I call this, and how I read structure. So what I want to do is I want to move this chart back up, and I want to quickly find something for you guys where I show it in real time and on the chart, so that you can see what it actually looks like. Let's quickly see if there's something for us to have a look at. Let's have a look at this. Let's go to Euro USD. Let's see if we can find something on Euro USD here. Looks like we've got something here. So if I had to start up, let's start here. Let's take this leg here, and so what I want to do is I want to move in a bullish direction, and then from there I want to move in a bearish direction. So what we had is our initial low starting here. I'm just starting randomly, guys. So what I want to do is I want to start with an initial low. So what happened is we got an initial low starting at the bottom here, and the market moved up. From there on, the market put in a retracement. Where do we pull back to? Previous structure resistance. Here we managed to break structure. We moved all the way up, we came back down, and previous structure resistance now becomes structure support. So from here on, we managed to move up, and we've got a break of structure. And like I said in my previous example that I showed you, structure has been broken, so now we call this a new structure high. What do we get? We get an outside return. Where do we retrace back to? Previous structure resistance becomes structure support, and what happened was is market pulled back, previous structure resistance now becomes new structure support, managed to beat that and move all the way back up to put in a new structure high. So from there on, what happened was we put in a retracement. Where do we retrace back to? Previous structure support right here now becomes our previous structure resistance. Sorry about that, guys. Now becomes support. And what happened was is the market managed to move upwards. We did not manage to break the previous structure highs. So what happened was we went into a bit of a consolidation here until we actually managed to break to the downside. As you guys can see here, managed to break down to the downside. We got a small retracement and we managed to move lower. So what happened from there, we got a small retracement, we put in a new structure low, we moved, the markets moved up again. But let me quickly explain this to you. As you can see, in order for me to get a new structure high or a new structure low, let's say this will be my previous structure high. This move here is my previous structure high. So in order for me to get a new structure high, I need this leg. Let's quickly do this. If this was my move here, we came back down, we came back up, and then we came back down. So in order for me to classify this as a new structure high, this point here as a new structure high, what I want is for this candle, this bullish candle, this green candle here, I need this candle to break above and close above my previous swing high, not the close of the previous structure high, not the close of this previous swing high. I need this green candle to close above the spike here in order to classify this for me as a new structure high. Now same with the new structure low. What I need is for the market to, let's take this upward movement here, downwards, we had a retracement, we moved down. This was a bit of a consolidation here. We managed to move back up and then we managed to move all the way down and we got a new structure low. So like I said, was this previous structure low or this previous structure level here, in order for me to classify this level here at the bottom as a new structure low, I need this candle, this bearish candle, this red candle, to close below my previous candle here, my spike, not the close of the candle. I need this candle here to close below the spike of this candle in order to classify it either a new structure high or a new structure low. So let me quickly screenshot this chart. I'm going to have a look at something for you. So as you guys can see, we're in a bearish direction here. We're in a downwards movement. Moved up, down, 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 retracement, down, up, down, and we were in a bit of a consolidation and we managed to break structure to the downside, which tells us we're in a bearish direction. Now a lot of you will ask, so what happens, or what do you do for all you trend continuation traders? What do you do when you're in a position if the market's no longer trending? Now that's when you get advanced patterns, which I trade. Let's quickly see. I think we've got a bullish bad pattern that set up or that completed. Just want to have a look at something. Yes. So guys, what happened was is the market moved all the way down in a bearish direction for all you trend continuation traders, and then we managed to stop round about here. We managed to put in a new structure low, and then the market put in a retracement, and from there on we are basically in consolidation. So what happened was is seeing that being consolidation, that's when patterns appear. Patterns like this bullish bear pattern that appeared right here. It will be a 86% completion, and that's what happened. So guys, I know this is a bit confusing. What I will do is I want to improve in the making of my videos. This is something new to me. I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is something new to me, you know, creating videos. Like I said in my first video, I explained to you that I'm a Forex trader and I'm an internet marketer. So I'm new to this whole YouTube video thing, but what I want to do is I want to create a trading community. I want you guys to follow me. I want to get to know you. I want you guys to get to know me. I want to share ideas with you. I want to show you guys exactly what I do, how I read the markets, how I draw my patterns, things like that. I want to share with you what's been successful for me, what works for me, what doesn't work for me, and that's it. Please guys, if you liked what you saw, like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below this video, let me know what you guys thought of this. Yeah, leave a comment, send me a mail, let me know what I can improve on, and I'll try and get it all sorted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like my video, again, like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all my upcoming videos, and once again, thank you for watching my video called Technical Analysis for Dummies, and this will be part of my video series called Weekly Forex Forecast, as I will be doing this every single week. So thank you guys, and I appreciate you watching this video all the way through. I know it was a long video, but I want to help you guys be successful in what you do. Just, you know, go through it step by step. Every little bit helps. What some of you out there thought might be a stupid video, others found this very helpful and very useful. So that's it. Once again, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel and have a look for watch out for my upcoming videos. And for those of you who are subscribed and who do like my videos and who do comment on my videos, I want to thank you for that. Best of luck out there. Let's smash the market. Let's make some money. Let's make money, guys. Let's make money. Enjoy the rest of your day, rest of your evening. I don't know where you're watching this. America, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, I don't know. But that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of your night, and I will see you later.